Right. Okay, let's we find how to find LCM and HCF, right? I will show you how to find LCM and HCF by shortest and quickest method, right? And we know we have several methods to find LCM and HCF, but here I try to show you the easiest and quickest method. Because when you consider IGCSE exam, Cambridge or Edexcel, we have question paper 1 normally, one question to find LCM or HCF related to HCM LCF, HCF or LCM. So I will discuss that type of question also from the past papers, but now very carefully look how we find the LCM and HCF, right? I will use same three numbers to find HCF, HCF and LCF, right? Okay, let's see find the LCM first. Now if we need to find LCM, right, what we will do, this 12, 18 and 30, yeah? These are the three numbers I use. So I will divide these three number by prime number, right? Prime number. So what are the prime number? First of all, you should know that prime numbers are numbers which can divide by 1 and itself, or we call normally prime numbers which has only two factors, right? Which has only two factors. So if I explain that also, now think 5 is a prime number. 5 you can divide by 1, answer is 5, or 5 you can divide by 5, then 1. So these are the only two number you can divide 5. So that's why 1 and itself, 5 you can divide 1 and itself by 5. So that's why there's no any other number you can divide by 5, divide 5. That means if you check divide by 2, no, it's remaining, get decimal. If you divide by 3, again you get decimal. So that's why normally we tell 5 you can divide by 1 and itself. So these are the prime numbers. So first prime numbers are, first few prime numbers, 2, first prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, then 17, and like that. But normally for the IGC exam, if you remember these prime numbers, that's enough, right? Okay, now let's see divide this one by lowest prime number. That's the method, that's the procedure. You have to divide any, at any time if you get a this type of question to find LCM, you should divide by the lowest prime number first of all. Then when you divide this 12 by 2, answer will be 6. And 18 if you divide by 2, it will be 9. And 30 if you divide by 2, it will be 15. Right? Normally, how many 2 are there? And 12, like that. Then, now again you should divide by 2. But you will confuse here. 9 you can't divide by 2. 15 you can't divide by 2. Yeah, but you have 6 no here. 6 you can divide by 2. This is the main key point in this method. If you have at least one number you can divide by 2, you must divide that. So you have 6 no here. 6 you can divide by 2. So that's why you should divide by 2. So answer will be, how many 2 are there in 6? 3. How many 2 are there in 9? Now, sorry, we not divide, know that. So we will bring this number to down. We can't divide this, so bring to down. I mean the for next level, right? And 15 also same, bring to down. Then again when we consider any number here, you can't divide by 2. So go to next prime number. Next prime number is 3. So divide by 3. When you divide by 3 here, how many 3 are there in 3? 1. How many 3 are there in 9? 3. How many 3 are there in 15? 5. Right? Again, you can divide by 3 because you have one number no here. You have at least one number enough. I mean, if you have one number, you should divide that. Okay, now 1 is here, so get down, you can't divide that. Here 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 5 you can't divide. Same way like here, we bring to down. Again, Now you can't divide by 2, you can't divide by 3, any number here. Then you need to try next prime number. Next prime number is 5. By 5 you can divide this. So here 1, and here also 1. Now finish. This is the working. Here this all three number must get 1 at last. Then stop. Then after what you should do, these numbers multiply together, right? Okay, I will show you in that 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, right? So what the answer here? 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 3, 36, right? 36 into 5. 5 into 6, 30. From 30 I will put 0 here and 3 here. Then 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18, right? So this is the answer. This is the LCM of, right, these three numbers. What are the 12, 18 and 30 if you consider, right? This is the LCM, right? This is the LCM, right? So yeah, if you need you can write like that. What the here, okay, I will write it LCM of what the 12, 18 and 30. 30 is 180. Now we got the answer, right? Okay, and then same time, together I will show you this also, how to find HCF of these three numbers. So same procedure, look very carefully. There's little different thing. We write here same three number and we divide by 2. Same procedure, you should divide by prime numbers. We start with the lowest one. So divide by 2. What the answer? How many 2 are there in 12? 6. How many 12 are there in 18? 9. How many 12 are there in 30? 15. Right? Then here is the key point. Now here you can't divide by 2. Because why? You have one number here divisible by 2. But these and these you can't divide by 2. This is the main thing. When you find HCF, you have checking whether these all numbers, maybe you have 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, these all must be divisible by that. Otherwise you can't divide by that prime number. So here by 2 you can divide 6, but you can't divide 9 and 15. So that's why you can't apply 2 here. So you should divide by next prime number. Next prime number is 3. By 3 you can divide this all 3. So you should start divide by 3. This is the main thing you need to understand what the difference. When you find LCM here, at least one number if you can divide by the prime number, you should divide it. Others are bring to down. Here not like that. When you find HCF, you must check whether these all numbers you could divide by that prime number. Otherwise you can't use that number. Now here by 3 you can divide. So I will divide. 6 divided by 3, answer is 2. How many 3 are there in 9? 3. How many 3 are there in 15? 5. Then there is no any number you can divide this all three numbers. Except 1. So that's why you have no any number. So stop here. Then again same method, multiply these two number. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Yeah, that is the HCF. So you can write HCF of 12, 18 and 30 is 6. That's the answer, right? So here very carefully understand, when you find LCM, at least one number you can divide, you should divide other into next level, and again by next prime number or same one. If you have at least one number, you can divide by that prime number. But when you find HCF, not like that. You must check whether you have these all numbers divisible by that prime number. Otherwise you can't use it, right? That's the different here. Try to understand it carefully, right? Okay, now I will stop for today. And if you can subscribe to my channel and share this video who need this, right? Thank you.